Hey tech enthusiasts! Ever wondered what's brewing in Samsung's secret labs? Well, today we've got some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, and trust me, it's going to stir things up in the smartphone world. So, let's dive into everything you need to know about this much-anticipated device. The existence of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is hardly a secret anymore. Even though we're still about a month away from its rumored launch, we've already got some juicy details to share. A global version of the Fan Edition device, model number SMS721BDS, recently passed through the Federal Communications Commission (FCC) for certification. Now, the US-bound version of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition has also made its way to the FCC, revealing even more details and offering a first glimpse of the smartphone. This version, with the model number SMS72U, also appeared in a live image uncovered by Sam Mobile. While we've previously seen unofficial renders and even a full set of official marketing materials earlier this month, this marks the first time we've seen the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition in a live image. However, the image doesn't give us the clearest view of the phone. It appears to be from an FCC test examining the smartphone's radiation patterns. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition was seen secured in a harness surrounded by testing equipment, standard procedures conducted by the FCC for every new device before it hits the market. The latest leak points to the Samsung SMS721U, recently cleared by the FCC, possibly marking it as the US or global version of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. This device is set to support 5G, 4G, LTE, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and Wi-Fi 6E, aligning it closely with its flagship siblings in the Galaxy S24 series. While the similarities to the Galaxy S24 and Plus variants are evident, the Fan Edition may come with some exclusive features. Notably, the FCC has revealed that the S24 Fan Edition will house a different battery identified by the model number EBBS721ABY. Although the battery's capacity remains undisclosed, it adds an air of mystery to this new release. For those who've been waiting for something a bit different, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition might just be the compelling alternative to Samsung's current flagship lineup. The wait is almost over, and soon we'll see if this Fan Edition can truly stand out in the crowded Android market. Get ready for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. The next big thing is coming soon. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out!